The Ant and the Dove. On a hot summer day, an ant was searching for some water. After walking around for some time, he came to a spring. To reach the spring, she had to climb up a blade of grass. While making her way up, she slipped and fell into the water. She could have drowned if a dove up a nearby tree had not seen her. Seeing that the ant was in trouble, the dove quickly plucked off a leaf and dropped it into the water near the struggling ant. The ant moved towards the leaf and climbed up there. Soon it carried her safely to the ground. Just at that time, a hunter nearby was throwing out his net toward the dove, hoping to trap it. An ant saw him and guessed what he was about to do. The bird was resting, and he had no idea about the bird catcher. The ant quickly bit him on the heel. Feeling the pain, the hunter dropped his net, and the dove was quickly to fly away. Moral: one good turn deserves another.